Good evening, everybody. There's Mater back with you. Oh, the problem I ran into on that getting that Predator 212 from Harbor Freight is the fact is, yeah, it's a nice little 6.5 horse engine and everything, same size as far as what pulled off of the wood chipper. The only problem is that the one from Harbor Freight, it's a straight shaft and it's 3/4. This one here, it's tapered, but it's 7/8. So there's been my biggest problem. And it's like, damn, what do I do? So I'm going to see about doing some swapping out. See, I'm hoping that this crank here will work. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go through Harbor Freight support and see what kind of crank they might use on their 212 that's inside their wood chipper. If it's the same style like this, that would fit theirs. But here's the other thing that was really weird, I thought. Okay, I can get it in on one way, but not the other. Just got my hands all cleaned after messing with this thing. Where's my finger at? There it is. Oh, that thing don't want to work right. Okay, there we go. Now, I'll tell you what's really weird. Where it says 22 mag, I'm going, now that's funny. I want to bring this thing out. My birthday is on February the 22nd. My initials are MAG. So how's that for being kind of weird? But I tell you what's really surprised me. Pulled the camshaft out. Yep, that is a solid piece of steel going through there, with the cam gear itself being plastic and both lobes for the lifters being out of plastic. I'm going, well, no wonder this damn thing didn't want to work. When you got piece of crap machinery put inside of something, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna last. I never have liked plastic. Give me steel. I know it's gonna wear out and everything, but my God, I mean, this is black. I mean, this is from I don't know who it is. I'm trying to think of who it is. Man, mind of it's done flipped my done gone away. Briggs and Stratton, that's who it is. Yeah. The Briggs and Stratton engine, 6.5 horse. I got it all tore apart. There's what's left of everything. Yeah, I know, I got a mess in here. But, hey, if I ain't making a mess, I ain't working. But yeah, this is why I ain't been doing anything on it. So maybe tomorrow after I get off work and everything, I'll get that other engine pulled off of it and see what happens after that. Alright, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. If y'all got any comments, let me know. Maybe some of you guys have been out there dealing with this stuff will know what's going on, what I might have to do. So, hey, let me know, please. I sure would appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.